Hello. So far, we have seen how to configure the code information fields in the code object. We have seen how to configure the code line groups fields in the code line group object, how to configure the pricing fields in the code line item object. In this section, we will edit these custom actions located here, like add group, ungroup, delete lines, etc. As a reminder, these custom actions enhance the functionality of the code line editor. They allow sales reps to perform specific tasks efficiently, like adding groups, deleting lines, or applying quick saves. Configuring them helps tailor the code line editor to your business process, ensuring a streamlined and user-friendly experience. So, how to configure them? Well, these custom actions may sound like something you can find in the setup menu, but actually they are configured in a different way. They have their own object that is accessed from the app launcher. So the first step is to open the app launcher, and from there you search for the custom actions object. This is a custom object installed by Salesforce CPQ. If it's not visible, you may want to make it visible by going to Setup and then editing the tab of this object to make it visible. So once you are here, you will have a list view of all the custom objects in CPQ. Then what you want to do is to locate the custom actions that you want to add or remove, and then you want to open it. Once you open the custom action, to disable it, you uncheck the active checkbox, and to enable it, you ensure that the active checkbox is checked and saved. So without any further ado, let's do a demo together. Let's say that we want to hide the add group button. So first thing, we're going to search the add group in the custom action list. Then we're gonna open the record and we're gonna uncheck the active checkbox and save to make it not visible. So first we go to the app launcher and then we search for custom action. Again, if it's not visible for you, what you want to do is to go to setup, and from setup in your profile, you want to make this custom action tab visible. So open it, go to the all list view, and here you'll find all the custom actions in CPQ. Then we search for the ungroup. We open the record. Right now it's active, meaning that it's visible in our code line editor. So we're going to click edit in the pencil, uncheck the active box and hit save. So if we go back to our code line editor and we refresh, notice that right now the ungroup button had disappeared. If we want to make it visible, again, we make sure that the active checkbox is checked. We hit save. Then if we go back to our code and we refresh, we will see that it's visible again. Congrats, right now you have learned how to configure these custom actions, how to add or remove them in the code line editor, which will allow you to customize the coding process, ensuring that sales reps have the necessary tools at their fingerprints while removing any unnecessary buttons that might clutter the interface. Our section about codes comes to an end. We have learned what is a code, what is a primary code, how to create a code and add product to it. Then we dived further to customize the code line editor by creating code line groups, configuring the code header, the code line, the custom actions, etc. In our next sections, we will dive into the different types of products you can configure in Salesforce CPQ. We will explore the specificities of product bundles, learn how to set up and manage subscription products, and delve into the power of multi-dimensional coding products. Each section is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage these product types to meet your business needs and enhance your sales process.
Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course in Master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.